This is on 6th March 2024 when she saw the result of RBI assistant and her roll number was not in the list. Her dreams got shattered. She felt as if she is completely devastated. When she got selected in prelims, she was very motivated. After that, she started doubling her efforts. She quit social media, Facebook and Instagram. She completely deleted from the mobile. She was literally burning midnight oil. She left no stone unturned for her preparation of the RBI assistant mains. She was thinking what mistakes she did. Her roll number was not there in the list. She was feeling lonely. She was crying. Her brother comes to her and says, "Don't you worry, you still have plan B." I am telling you the story of Savitri. Savitri comes from city of Hubli, a city known for its cultural heritage, known for its beautiful landscape. Locals call Hubli Chota Mumbai because of the trade and commerce popular in the city. A commerce graduate, Savitri loves living in Hubli. She has been born and brought up in Hubli. She has big dreams to work in government sector, to climb the ladder of success, to see the world, to explore, to earn money, but at the same time being with her family. Being a commerce graduate, banking and finance sector is her first preference. Coming from a lower middle class family, brother being the sole earner in the family, she decides preparing for RBI assistant, for IBPS, PO and clerical exam is the best way she makes a career in the banking and finance sector. Last year, after completing her graduation, she started sincerely preparing for IBPS exam, RBI assistant exam, and her efforts were bringing result when she cleared RBI assistant. When she cleared RBI assistant, she thought of joining the central bank of the country. There cannot be anything better than this. For joining RBI, even if I have to leave Hubli, I will do that, she thought. That is worth paying the price. RBI assistant results was delayed. During this time, she continued her preparation. She continued appearing under exam, but unfortunately, no other success. During this preparation, she watched a video by Sushil Ragresar, who is the most popular faculty for RBI preparation. In that video, Sushil sir said about the opportunity in the DBS bank. DBS is a foreign bank in the country and ixamBee helps student getting a job in the private sector bank also. That opportunity was discussed in detail by Sushil sir. Savitri, little demotivated by the continuous failures in the competitive exams, thought, shall I try because it's a foreign bank? The job is really good, the salary is good. The opportunity to start the career in a foreign bank must be a great idea. She applied for the job first program of the ixamBee, Be in Job. Aditya from our team spoke to her. In the detailed discussion, Aditya find out that Savitri is not eligible for DBS because DBS has very strict criteria. Aditya suggested, Savitri, if you are interested, I can definitely try. Your profile is good. You have already cleared one level of competitive exam RBI assistant. So I can try. You may get a job in other banks. And that time we had opportunity in Axis Bank. Though initially little reluctant, Savitri thought there is no harm in trying. Savitri appeared for the interview with the HR of the bank and she got final selection. But then Savitri was disappointed again. She called Aditya that she is not happy because the HR of the bank was talking very rudely and more importantly because she got a posting which is 60 km away from Hubli. She is not willing to leave her home, at least as of now. Then Aditya spoke to the bank and told them, you shall not leave a very good candidate because of the posting. We know that you have branches in Hubli. If you try to accommodate her, she will join. And that worked. She got a posting in a branch which is only 7 km from her house. She goes in the morning and returns by evening. The best part of her job is she directly reports to the cluster manager. She is continuing her preparation for RBI assistant. She still dreamed to become a central banker. She is just 23 now. Also because she is getting a work experience, she is going to be eligible for direct manager level position, scale 2 positions in public sector bank after her experience of being an assistant manager working in one of the largest and best private sector bank in the country. In the job, she is learning a lot and she is learning when she is earning. Not only she has financial independence, not only she is supporting her mother and her brother, but at the same time she is now able to invest more in her education, getting the guidance from the best of the mentors. She is 23, still full 5-year for RBI assistant and with work experience, more time for jobs like RBI Grade B, IBPS PO and direct scale 2, scale 3, which is happening very regularly in all public sector banks nowadays. She is now an inspiration for many of her friends, many of the batchmates, those who see Savitri now one step ahead in the career, working in a bank and continuing preparation for better opportunity in the banking and finance sector. Initially, she was very hesitant. She thought the salary at Axis Bank is low. Yes, it is low compared to the pure public sector bank, but when she now got her first incentive, she feels quite happy about it. She feels proud of herself. She now trusts so much ixamBee and Aditya that she was asking Aditya whether she shall start investing in SIP. Don't worry, Aditya is not a financial advisor. At our channel, you have seen numerous success stories of those who clear RBI, NABARD, SEBI, FCI, SIDBI, IFSCI, IRDA, Bank PO and others. But I thought I must share the story of Savitri. Career is a very long journey. All of us comes from very different background, education background or financial background, and also have very different aspirations. In today's time, when there are more opportunities, there is more confusion. I regularly do career guidance workshop, sometimes by going to colleges, and most of the time I do it online. I genuinely believe one shall invest time in understanding his or her aspirations, his or her abilities, and the options available in the market. This career guidance workshop helps you in understanding that. If you are interested, the link is given in the description below. Please join me. It will be worth investing your time. It is very important that we know our strength. Ultimately, we succeed in our life based on our strength, building them, nurturing them, and finding out opportunities where our strengths become the enabler for success. Savitri is now so happy working with Axis Bank that she has referred one of her friend and now he is undergoing the job first program. I wish that I will share his success story very soon. I am going to share many more such success stories of these powerful women, of these aspirants coming from different parts of the country, finding opportunities, building their skills, getting into job, becoming financially independent, and creating success and happiness in their life and family. If you like the story of Savitri, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We are here to unfold your potential to make your job preparation 50% faster. All the best.